small, short walk, like 2 hours, up in the mountain today. I'm not feeling very hopeful, but we're just gonna do it anyway. Like, conditions aren't bad. It's supposed to be warm today, so the birds might be moving further up. But we're just gonna go up there just to get the exercise. Maybe I can nap after so I can get ready for night shift. Not expecting anything, but I have my GoPro with me. I'm just gonna say that was one of my biggest blunders of the season. I don't know what I was doing because I had that shot lined up. Fuck yeah. I got the hit better and if I pressed him. But at least I saw kinda where they landed, so I'm going after them. Hey, look at. Ha. What? Anders. On the board, baby. Yeah, buddy. Woo! I'm so glad I didn't give up on these suckers. Yeah, buddy. At least we got one. That's more than none. Fuck. Yeah. No, absolutely. Look at this. This is a specimen. It's a beautiful bird. It's a shame you have to shoot these. They're delicious, so I have to shoot them. They're absolutely stunning and so majestic. But meat is meat. I got people to feed. I've driven down out of the mountain. It was kind of rocky. So it was actually harder to drive down it than up it today for some reason. And we're just gonna head. Shut up. We're gonna head to eat. Try to take a nap. Woo! Yeah, damn.